Hello, Tracy with Southern Tennessee Mom. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to organize my shelf here. I keep all my non-perishable foods on. And I have a container here from Dollar Tree, and this is actually for sodas, Cokes, whatever you want to call them. But I'm going to use them for canned storage. This is also for magazines. But I'm going to use it again for canned storage. And then we have several different other containers. I have these two here from Dollar Tree. I tried to pick up different size containers wherever I could find them. So we're going to organize by putting everything, or almost everything, in one bin of the same lot as you see me doing here, like all the corns in one, all the green beans in one, carrots, so forth. You will see me mix up my fruit a little bit, but that's okay because it's fruit and I can see what's on top, so I'm good with that. Now you will see me turn my labels facing front so I can see what's actually there. And this will stop me from overbuying a bunch of stuff I don't need. It's okay to overstock, but I was kind of getting out of hand. I mean, it was a jumbo mess. Let me show you this. I get these at Walmart. They're like $1 something for my dogs. They love them. It's all natural food that they grind up and put in gravy. And the dogs love them. And it's a little healthy snack for them. And now I took this Captain Crunch cereal box and I just cut it off at an angle. And it made a perfect container for all these dog foods. And I've got several of those in there. Okay, you can see now I have it organized. I have my oils on in one container. My taco sauce in one container. Then I have my cake mixes in ones, my steak sauces. I do have a little variety bin here that's got some asparagus in it, some pumpkin, stuff that I don't cook on a normal basis. And like large cans of, family size cans of like corn and green beans. But the rest I've kind of separated except my fruit. I told you about that earlier. And but I can still see what is there, and I'm just very pleased with these bins. They look amazing. It will keep me from overstocking my shelf where I don't have much room. But I can still purchase what I need when I can see where I'm getting low on something. I can go ahead and purchase it. I turned my labels to the front so I could see what was actually there. And you can see there I've also put a couple boxes of tacos, the dinner packs there. But I can see that is for tacos. Now, the containers I have at the bottom, there's two there. In the middle, I got those, there are essentials. And I can't remember where I bought those at. But the one I had the chili in, I actually got that at Gabe's. And that's for Cokes to the expense. But I thought, well, I'll just put my cans of chili in it. And this here, I got these at Dollar Tree. It's actually for like an egg dispenser in your refrigerator where you can just pull out and grab an egg. But I thought, well, it won't fit my refrigerator shelves, because I guess they're too wide or something. I don't know. But it fits here perfect. And I put my drink mixes in that one. And at the bottom I put some drink mixes in this one. And my leftover hot chocolate mixes. So I was just very pleased with it. On the next shelf I've got my cooking supplies in a container. Then in this big white bin I've got like my flour, cornmeal, and noodles, stuff like that. I just put them in the big bin from Walmart. But I can see what I'm getting low on. I can see what I've got enough of. So I don't have to worry about buying it at that time if I don't, don't want to buy extra. I'm good. Sorry about that. I left my cleaning bleach wipes there when I was wiping off the shelf. I thought about it. But I'm very pleased with this. I hope you have a blessed day. God bless you. And let's get organized. Thank you for watching my video. Until my next one. Goodbye.